evening, children. Uh, Today we are going to do a little different project. This is also part of your physical education curriculum, but it's a little different, and I hope you will have fun and it will be useful. Physical education not only involves the body, also involves the mind, and something that can help and keep you calm and hopefully teach you a little patience is gardening. Today I'm going to teach you how to grow coriander, which is dhaniya. From coriander, which is dhaniya, you can buy from the market. Uh, your mothers must be buying dhaniya from the market, and it comes with stalks and roots attached. So I'm going to show you how you can take those roots and you can grow your own dhaniya. You can watch it grow over time. You can take care of it, and you'll never have to buy dhaniya from the market again. So dhaniya in the market comes in bunches where there are stalks and leaves. Next time it comes from the market, please ask your parents to show you. So what we do is, we take the root area and we take about 6-7 inches of the stalks above and we cut it with a pair of scissors. So what I did is, I took the bunch and I cut all of these like this. So now I am left with the root and about 6 to 7 inches of stalk from each root. Okay, now I'll show you how to plant them. So what you have to do is, take an area of soil. It can be in a pot, it can be in an open area, it can be in the ground. You can plant it anywhere. Take your soil and make a hole. Take your root and plant it and cover it. Leave the green part outside. At a little bit distance, about 6 inches, we make another hole. Take another root, plant it, and we cover it up and we press it. Make sure all the root is inside and the stalks are outside. And that's it. This is how you continue planting. Take another hole. Another root. Cover it up. Press down and it's planted. So this is how we plant it, and then we take some water and we gently water and we weed it. So these are plants I've planted with you today, and today is the 15th of July. We will continue to monitor the progress of these plants, and I would like you to send me pictures of your plants as well whenever you take them. So hopefully these will turn out well, and hopefully these will turn out well for you also. Bye bye.